where we include the, so the difference between hardware and software is the recorder. Okay, so hardware, you have hardware based recorder. In each classroom you will have one this recorder device lying in the particular room, and the all devices, the cameras and the laptops input and everything will be connected on that particular device, that recorder which is there, the black box. Okay, and this software solution, which you don't need to invest in the hardware for each and every room. You need to buy a license of the classroom as per the classroom. Okay, so you have you have 5 classrooms, so you have to buy 5 licenses. Okay, that license will get installed on your laptop. On that 5 laptops you can have that licenses, and you can bring your laptop into the room. That camera which is there, like camera audio will remain same as it is there in the hardware. So it's just a separate solution from the hardware point of view. So it's the physical device, and there's the software which is doing the same job.
In the software device, that solution will be, that lecture will be stored on that hard disk.
On the particular laptop.
But that will be an individual laptop, right?
Yeah.
The faculty will be having it in their own laptop.
No, we will have as you are going to have 5 classrooms for the recording. Yeah, so 5 laptops will be installed there.
Already your desktop solution over there. Is it okay?
Yeah, so you can have that software installed on that desktop.
And then how will it carry our material? I mean, it will be carried in a hard drive, some pen drive or something.
Yeah, so you have to connect that on that machine, and you can open it and you can do that. Okay, so that's the software based solution. And in hardware, there are multiple benefits between hardware and software. So I will promote you the hardware part more than the software. So difference is, in software you have to buy a license every year. So it's not kind one time license that you buy today and it will be remain with you. And in hardware it's a one time buy. So you can have one hardware, you can buy it and you can install it. So that's the major difference of the this both the things. Second part, the recording. So let's say you have a desktop in that room, okay, and this lecture is getting recorded on the particular device only, okay, but that hardware, the hard disk that you have to daily process, like you have to check like how many free space is available or not and all that kind of, okay, but in this you can have pen drive or you can have external hard disk, you can give it to professor, okay, so they will go there, they will just connect the USB drive and they can start recording it, okay, and once the recording done, so they can take out that hard drive, take it to their machine, and if you want, if they want, they can publish to the local network that you have built up on your local website to view it to the students. Pardon? No, this is about the hardware I am talking about. This kind of hardware I am talking about.
So which one would be more easy to adapt?
Yeah, so this hardware, it's easy to adapt.
So naturally it will be costly
No,
also.
it's nearly same price. If you pay a software for 2 years, your hardware will be free.
So, but features are more attractive here.
Here in this case, so that's why we wanted.
This particular camera will be required,
Yeah,
which will be installed somewhere on the ceiling.
ceiling. Yes, it won't be on the ceiling. We will install that camera at the height where the when you see the recording, it should not look like the CCTV view. It should look like you are viewing locally.
Close, I mean, for example, now this is very close view we are seeing. Right?
Yes.
It is not a CCTV view.
Yeah, it's not a CCTV view.
I understand.
Yeah, so it's installed on that particular table. Instead of it, we will install at the height of 7 or 8 feet from the flooring, and then we can have the view.
In that case, we should take care of the class and now the sitting arrangement will be done.
Yeah, so it's
Arrange from the ceiling also for that one. From the ceiling, we can just raise that to the 7 to 8 feet.
yeah. So any
We can just raise up.
no. Actually, the height will be, let's say this is 8 feet. Okay, so we will have stand on the mounting on the wall, and that camera will be seated on that stand and will capture. So there will be nothing coming from the flooring. So I am just giving you a height that it will take 7 to 8 feet. So you can see the exact view. So just to give you a briefing that we have recently we are doing it right now. Installation is in progress. We are doing it this Institute of Chemical Technology, Matunga. We are doing there 33 classrooms recording. Yeah. So out of that, my 10-15 classroom is already completed.
So where are you installing this camera in those classrooms?
At the end of the wall, it's just opposite to the whiteboard.
You'll be installing the camera.
Yes.
So they are also going for a similar solution.
Yes. They are also going for the hardware-based solution.
Hardware-based.
Yes.
What distance you need from the board to the wall for installation of the camera?
See, this camera has a 20x zoom facility. Okay, so as far as I am able to zoom and I am keeping it that board, I am viewing properly, then I am deciding it accordingly.
Means if it is not installed midway somewhere in the class,
Huh.
if it is installed midway, then it will create an obstacle for the students. So
Correct.
it's better to install
At the end, yeah. So we did that at the end only in all the classrooms. There are only 3 to 4 classrooms. Like they have a drawing classroom where it's huge. The depth is almost 40 feet, more than 40 feet, more than 40 feet. That's the depth of the room. So if I put this camera at the end, the cable running from my recorder, it's more than 20 meter. So that HDMI doesn't support more than 20 meters. So it's my limitation. That's why I bring that camera at the center, so I can have that cable to be used properly. Yeah. So right now you can see this device. Okay. So I just brief you about first the hardware part. There is a recorder. Okay. Just yeah. There is the recorder. Okay. This recorder comes with varieties. So it has 2 input, it has 4 input, it has 3 input. It's different inputs it caters. Okay. So this is 4 input device, but I will suggest you for 2. It's enough for the classroom.
Two inputs is enough, he suggested. Please keep a note.
Okay. So 2 inputs, what it will cater. So one will be the camera input, which will cater the board, and if the professor is standing at front of the board, then he will be captured. Once he moves out of that board, then it won't be, but the audio will be captured. Okay, that's the one part. Second is my laptop input. You can see I have connected my laptop, so this can be connected. Okay.
Okay. So whatever you are projecting in the laptop, simultaneously
Yeah, it's getting recorded. So here what is the benefit of getting this recorded directly? If I am projecting on the projector and then I am capturing it, the clarity degrades. Yeah. So here we are taking a digital input of the laptop. We will have one splitter in between this connectivity, which will split that input into one will go to the projector and second will go to the recorder, and then it will get record simultaneously.
So you will be attaching this cord of laptop to the device.
Yes.
So in your classroom there will be this device recorder.
Huh.
And you will be attaching the cord of your laptop to the recorder.
Yes. The VGA cord or the HDMI cord, whatever. Okay. So
At that time you can connect, you will be having so many ports for connecting with the CPU. One is to LCD, one is to record. Because your one output will go to LCD, another output will be going to record.
yeah, so we will have splitter there. That's what I'm saying. We will have splitter there. So one VGA out is coming from your desktop. It will split in 2, and one will go to the LCD and one will go to the recorder. So there, that splitter you need to buy.
And that
We are providing it. Actually, I have not brought it because it's single input. That's why.
I need not have a laptop there. CPU can.
Yeah. So you can have that.
And then if somebody wishes to use overhead
Yes.
Then you can't have any other means of
No, projector also can have input.
OHP also can be captured? No, I don't think so.
No, OHP,
OHP
OHP,
not really OHP.
OHP mechanism is totally
Ah.
different. Na?
Over it.
Lights.
It's a mirror, na, which is just giving
For
image
chemistry,
and
Ah.
just writing of the
Okay, okay, you are capturing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for that it will have output of that USB or something like
I hope there is a port.
USB. How you are connecting with the machine right now?
You will connect
Providing the
directly
power
with
cord.
Just providing the power cord.
Providing the power cord. There is one lamp. That glass is there.
Yes.
We are just taking the slide of that, and that glass needs to
On the projector, right? So there will be one input that going to the projector.
yeah.
Yeah, there has to be, because you have one projector on the ceiling which is projecting on the white screen which is here. Okay, you have that projector lying here, you are keeping it the paper. Okay, so how it is transmitting? So there will be connection. So this
Glass reflection is there to this
it's a magnifying glass and a mirror.
mirror. So that mirror just reflected that magnifying glass to the door.
you can see that we have that.
Physical arrangement. I don't think there is any software.
Nothing
okay, so there will be right now in the market there are document camera, you can say. So document camera works in the same way. So